falls on water during the dark night. Such is our feeling after becoming a member of the Universal Solidarity Movement. A very warm welcome to our respected guests and all the others who have joined us this evening for the awarding ceremony of the completion of Leadership Training Program of students of St. Mary's Convent Inter College, Allahabad.
आगे बढ़ाने से पहले आइए हम ईश्वर की आराधना में कुछ क्षण समर्पित करें। ऐसे हो हमारे करम, नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम, ये तेरा घना चाह रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। ये तेरा घना चाह रहा, तेरा इंसान घबरा रहा। हो रहा बेखबर, कुछ ना आता नजर, सुख का सूरज छिपा जा रहा। है तेरी रोशनी में जो दम, तू अमावस को कर दे पूनम। नेकी पर चले और बदी से डरे, ताकि हंसते हुए निकले दम। ऐ मालिक तेरे बंदे हम।
If God forsakes you, who could help you then? So let believers put their trust in God.
Please open at page number 63, paragraph 2nd. From the Holy Scripture of Hindu.
वह व्यक्ति आत्म साक्षात्कार को प्राप्त तथा योगी कहलाता है, जो अपने अर्जित ज्ञान तथा अनुभूति से पूर्ण संतुष्ट रहता है। ऐसा व्यक्ति अध्यात्म को प्राप्त तथा जितेंद्रिय कहलाता है। वह सभी वस्तुओं को, चाहे वे कंकड़ हो, पत्थर हो कि सोना, एक समान देखता है।
Verse 13 to 16. You are the salt of the earth, but if salt has lost its taste, how shall its saltness be restored? It is no longer good for anything except to be thrown out and trodden underfoot by men. You are the light of the world. A city set on a hill cannot be hidden, nor do men light a lamp and put it under a bushel, but on a stand, and it gives light to all in the house. Let your light so shine before men that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father who is in heaven.
सभी जन मिलके चले, मिलके चले, 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 सभी जन मिलके चले। दोस्तों, सत्य मार्ग सब मिल अपनाए। आओ रे दोस्तों, सत्य मार्ग सब मिल अपनाए। प्रेम बलिदान को याद करे आओ, प्रेम बलिदान को याद करे आओ। सत्य वचन से सभी जन जीवन नया पाओ, सत्य वचन से सभी जन जीवन
जन मिलके चले,
मिलके चले सभी जन मिलके चले,
मिलके चले सभी जन मिलके चले, मिलके चले सभी जन मिलके चले। साकार करेंगे सपना प्रभु का, स्थापना करके धर्म राज्य उनका। साकार करेंगे सपना प्रभु का, स्थापना करके धर्म राज्य उनका।
ताई दिल बिछाओ सब सावन को आ जाओ, ताई दिल बिछाओ सब सावन को आ जाओ,
भेदभाव में के सब प्रभु के गीत गाओ,
भेदभाव में के सब प्रभु के गीत गाओ।
आओ रे दोस्तों, आओ रे दोस्तों, सत्य मार्ग सब मिल अपनाए।
दीन बलिदान को याद करे आओ,
सत्य वचन से सभी जन जीवन दया पाओ। मिलके चले सभी जन मिलके चले,
मिलके चले सभी जन मिलके चले,
मिलके चले सभी जन मिलके चले, मिलके चले सभी जन मिलके चले।
राष्ट्र का हमारे जीवन में एक महत्वपूर्ण स्थान है। आइए अपने राष्ट्र को समर्पित करते हुए हम अपने राष्ट्र गीत का गायन करते हैं। मैं नीतू मैम को आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी।
वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला, शस्य श्यामला मातरम, वंदे मातरम, शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी, पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनी, सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी, सुखदां वरदां मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्, वन्दे मातरम्। Hospes venit, Christus venit. That is, when guest comes, God comes. Keeping this in my mind, I invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Mr. B.J. Hirji, retired IAS officer, and a guest of honor, Mr. K.S. Barnar, retired IAS officer, to take their respective seats on the dais.
देवो भव अर्थात अतिथि का ईश्वर के समान स्थान है। मैं डॉक्टर निरेन विरमानी जी, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट USM को आमंत्रित करती हूँ। आप आए व अपने शब्दों से हमारे मुख्य अतिथि व सभी अतिथिगणों का स्वागत करें।
Respected Chief Guest, distinguished guests, Mrs. Hirji, Mr. Kumar, and my dear teachers, students, and Reverend Father colleagues. It is indeed a matter of great pride and privilege for me to be welcoming a personality, a dignitary like Mr. Hirji and Mr. Kumar amongst us. At the Indore campus of the USM, whose objective and vision is to build a civilization of love. And I assure you, sir, your coming here is indeed a great step in achieving our objective of building up value education for peace and building in civilization. And I assure you that the actions here at the USM will always be more true than our words. We will be answerable to you and we will look forward to you with all our accountability and transparency what this organization is and what it intends to do, what it has achieved. Sometimes when we get the occasion, we will project that aspect for you so that we can receive your blessings from time to time and we keep on visiting and gracing this indoor campus of the USM. Coming to a few words on our chief guest. I have known him for long, even when he was assistant director and he was collector and he was commissioner of Indore Division and finally rose to the highest rank of the secretary to the government of Indore, which I tell you is a rank much more honorable than even the ministers. And particularly it is his personality, his value system, which we all who used to look upon him and we used to feel honor to him. You do recollect that there was a time when the Indian civil ICS people were considered to be the pride of the services, and after the departure of the British here, it was the Indian Administrative Service which became the pride service of the country. Take it from me, in the presence of the God, I tell you that Mr. Hughes is the pride of the IAS. And that is why we are very, very, very proud to have. And there are so many qualities, so many things which over the years, so many incidents, so many things I can draw your attention to. Only if we have time, in the class I would have spoken to you something more about that thing, but unfortunately we didn't get the time. But this is in a nutshell that it's a whole ocean contained in small words. About Mr. Parman, him too I have had the pleasure and honor of knowing. Since the time I was IGP here at Indore, he had come and working as OSD, working as district collector, working as collector. And during that period, so many wonderful things he had achieved. The entire lot of the temples of Indore, in and around, this is stupendous task which was neglected with the line all over. Nobody knew where the records were, and some kind of that kind of Herculean effort he made and consolidated and brought them into the form of a book. Subsequently, also, when such kind of innovation, such kind of creativity, even in the post-retirement period, he served many industrial, agricultural, various other, and a lot of work has been done, a lot of books have been written on the cotton and other agricultural aspects of India's agricultural area. He's done wonderful service in that particular area. And the only thing which I felt that in spite of all odds, he does not get deterred. He continues with dignity and force and self-respect once he has made up his mind that this is the objective, this is the target where I have to reach, and he goes in there. And has also the reason with that methodology of handling the situations. Recently there were communal riots here in Indore, and he was the one who took the initiative, organized various kind of meetings, and the message to the people went, एक घर बनाने में लोग टूट जाते हैं, एक घर बनाने में लोग टूट जाते हैं, ये कौन लोग हैं जो बस्तियां जलाते हैं? He was so forceful, sending out that kind of message to the people. The art and the entire administration was obliged to him that we have taken this kind of initiative. And after that also, even now, after so many years of retired life like me, he is running a number of organizations. The senior citizens, which has established itself now in the country as one of the organizations which has its name and credibility in doing various kinds of things. consumer protection, with organization dealing with the RTI, various kind of situations. He keeps on doing. He does not believe in lying and wasting his time. Every time he wants to squeeze every second out of every minute and every minute out of every hour. And that explains his personality. What a selfless service without asking for anything in return. That over the years he continues to. Sometimes I may be feeling sick. He will come and motivate. What is the sickness? If you get well, you get up, leave your bed and come here and we will make you all right. It really happens. You get involved mentally, creatively, and you feel much better. And now, a little bit, you have heard about these dignitaries, but the secret behind their power, their dignity, their value system is what you tell me. Yes, they are the better halves. And this is not only in a phrase. I've had the honor of knowing both of them. And she is the one, Mrs. Hirji is the one who has motivated Mr. Hirji to believe in a concept dealing with the empowerment of women. His message to the women, to the girls, all goes, मौजों से लड़ो और लड़ते जाओ, कब तक चलती रहोगी किनारे किनारे. How long is the woman walking on the sidelines of the sea? Keep on, fight the mountain, and keep on protection. Because unless the woman power is aroused in the country, half the power of the country is gone. The whole value system crumbles. So we have to, and we have to feel with our own dignity, and you can always see that. Mr. Kumar, I have seen a great, truth of what they say. The mother's lab is the first school. The way she has brought up the children, the grandchildren. After there was an incident in their family, there was a small accident, big accident, the whole family was shattered. And I had the occasion of seeing them soon after in complete composure. The way I was looking after them. And Mr. Kumar, in spite of the accident, his son got the injury, ribs were broken, but the second day he was on the job. Nothing could happen. And all this power he did, Mr. Kumar, and please don't take me seriously what I am saying. And you have to, that only say, you have to believe in yourself. And that is where our organization is honored that these people like this have come, spared some time. So I convey my loving blessings and gratitude to Mrs. Hirji, Mrs. Parmar, Mr. Hirji and Mr. K.S. Parmar. God bless you. Maybe you are the repositories of motivation and health and grace of God. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. One of the action plans of USM consists of Green India. In order to keep our country evergreen, we have a practice of presenting a sapling instead of flowers. I now invite Father Verghese Alangardan to welcome our chief guest with a sapling.
विश्व बंधुत्व आंदोलन के द्वारा शांति हेतु नैतिक शिक्षा का कार्यक्रम चलाया जा रहा है। इसके अतिरिक्त यूएसएन ने हमारे देश में व्याप्त भ्रष्टाचार व अन्य कुरीतियों को मिटाने का प्रयत्न किया है। इस उद्देश्य हेतु यूएसएन के कार्यकर्ताओं ने भारत के किशोरों को नेतृत्व का प्रशिक्षण देने की तरफ हाथ बढ़ाया है। मैं नीतू जोशी जी को आमंत्रित करना चाहूँगी। नीतू जोशी जी 3 साल से यूएसएम से जुड़ी हैं। वह हम जैसे बच्चों को निष्ठा व लगन से प्रशिक्षण देने का कार्यभार संभाल रही हैं। आप आएं व हम सबको इस प्रशिक्षण के बारे में जानकारी।
नमस्कार। हम सभी इस प्रशिक्षण कार्यक्रम के उद्देश्य और प्रक्रिया से अच्छी तरह वाकिफ हैं, परंतु यह हमारा कर्तव्य है कि आज हम अपने अतिथिगण को भी इससे अवगत कराएं, इसीलिए मैं यहाँ प्रस्तुत हूँ। आज जब हम अपने समाज की तरफ देखते हैं तो ज़्यादातर लोगों की मानसिकता बहुत ही निराशा